Hi, this is Kalpana. I would like to review Digital Deepak internship program. Actually, I would like to say a few things that how I have come to know Digital Deepak. I am working as a lead generation specialist in one a real estate company. So I was going through the lead generation techniques in online uh, last a few years back. So that time I got to know digitaldeepak.com blog, where I have been following him since 4 to 5 years. His blogs are very good, very impressive, and every day when we read his mail or when we read his blog, we will be very impressive and we will be very motivational. So where he would ask you to do, it's not that he is getting the followers. He is caring about every follower, where he wanted everyone to go ahead with his uh, dream or goal. So that one I liked him, and I have been following him from many years, I would say. So I have through the same knowledge or through the same concept, I have enrolled all his courses, where I have enrolled for 100 days blogging course also, and I have booked a domain also. But after booking a domain also, I couldn't take a step due to my office works and due to my routine work, where I'm not able to work on myself, to concentrate on myself and my blog or my dream. Where I got to know about the Digital Deepak internship program also for the batch one itself, but due to some financial problems, I couldn't enroll for batch one. Then I got reviews from batch one, and I have seen batch one reviews, and I have got to know about the launch webinar, which is happening on February 4th. So I just thought that why not to check what is happening in the launch webinar. So I have checked in launch webinar. He has explained me all the things about the classes what he is going to take, and he also explained how it is going to work. Where we will have to enroll for the internship for paying some amount, and after that whatever we have paid, it will be given back in the cashback offer. So once you are submitting the assignment only, you will get the cash, which I have like felt very happy, because if you are submitting, if you are having that uh, timeline in your mind that you have to submit on this day, definitely you will work for it, right? So that's how I have enrolled without my family knowledge, I mean my husband knowledge also. After enrolling, he has come to know that we will get money, so he was okay with that. uh, and I have got the first class of internship program, where fundamentals of digital marketing and learning concepts, he was marketing concepts he was explaining. Then we got at first assignment, we got to know that whatever you have learned today, you have to write in your any blog medium, like that he has said. Then I had the domain, right? So I thought like we'll write in my own blog. So I have come up with 2500 words, which I was never thought of. So I have invested myself 1 week for this one article itself. So I felt very happy about it, because I was not thinking to do something, but made it. And I got a review of first assignment also, and I was in top 18th. So I never thought that I will come in top 100, where 600 students were enrolled for batch 2. So I was very happy that I have got top 18. So this was motivated me to go through the all assignments, where I can do it. Yes, I can also become a good digital marketer. Then second class, we had about buyer persona, and third class we had about copywriting, which I was not knowing at all. So I was very happy that yes, I can also be a copywriter. So this made me to thought of, yes, you can also do your own product for your sales copy. You can write your own sales copy for your own product. I was very happy. So then fourth one was setting up your own blogging website. So where I felt very happy. What are the basic things to set up for website? I mean the blog website. So it's all taken care of. It's all taught by our team, Kamna Jain, uh, Shreyas and Krishna. So they all were very good. They had taught us step by step process in Q&A sessions. It was very nice to go through the things, even though if you are not knowing small, I mean the basics also, they will help you in all the way to set up your own things. And fifth and sixth classes were marketing automation and Google ads and Facebook ads. Through our master course only, I was knowing the Google ads and Facebook ads. Even though I had knowledge about it, but in live sessions I got to know more things about the ad sessions also. So how to target, where are the people are exactly coming in, how you have to look for conversions. So what are the basic things that you have to do if you want to get a conversions. So many things they have taught us. And a final one is creating your own product. So actually, I was not knowing what to create on my own product itself. There, I struck up. So my batchmates, my intern fellow mates who has helped me very nicely. I would like to mention Taleha Khan, Ankush Anand, then Nikhil Agarwal, Vijay Karthikeyan, Manjusha Anand, uh, so many people. Sorry, Manjusha Sethi, I believe. I'm not sure. Manjusha. So these like this, so many people who have helped in the community. We have a WhatsApp community, so they have helped me to get my own product. So I was completely out of mind to create my own product. So it made me to create my own product as well. It made me to think who I am, what way to go, what is my career exactly, what I have to do, and where I have to look for. So many things I got to know through this internship. I would say this is like your life changing decision. If you need to make it, then you should enroll in Digital Deepak internship without thinking anything. Yesterday we had just uh, uh, just to discuss with Deepak. We batch two mates, we had batch one and batch two mates, uh, we had a webinar where he had come up with the solution for the end-to-end digital marketing. So he had taken our feedback. He had taken small point also from us. So I would say this is what you need, right? So you want a person who need to listen to you, who just need to care about you. So I felt that has happened here. So I felt that through our community as well, through our mentor Deepak and his team, Kamna Jain, Shreyas, and Krishna Prasad, who had helped in all the ways to complete your all your assignments as well your life career. So I would like to thank everyone in this opportunity. So thank you so much, Pixel Track team, as well Deepak sir, and my batch two mates interns. Thank you so much.